Hello guys, welcome to Survivor Chess, the channel to be better at chess. Today, we are going to learn about the piece known as queen. The queen piece looks like this. The queen is the most powerful piece in the game of chess. The queen is typically worth about 9 pawns. Why is the value of the pieces in chess so important? Because chess piece values give us a relative worth for each piece. This information helps us determine what piece should be traded for another piece, how we evaluate an exchange, and even how computer engines evaluate a position. The queen can move any number of squares vertically, horizontally, or diagonally, combining the powers of the rook and bishop. Each player starts the game with one queen, placed in the middle of the first rank next to the king. Now, let's talk about how to use the queen strategically. A player should generally delay developing the queen, as developing it too quickly can expose it to attacks by enemy pieces, causing the player to lose time removing the queen from danger. Only the king is more important than the queen in chess, because you cannot continue the game if your king gets captured. You can keep playing if you lose the queen, or any of the other pieces. Remember, the queen in chess is both a potent attacker and defender. If the position does not allow you to use your queen in attack, keep the queen in contact with your king. Using your queen to help defend your king will make your king a lot safer. During the 15th century, the queen's move took its modern form as a combination of the move of the rook and the current move of the bishop. Starting from Spain, this new version called queen's chess spread throughout Europe rapidly. Partly due to the advent of the printing press and the popularity of new books on chess. Guys, if you are learning with the channel, give it a like and subscribe, because everyone needs chess on life. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.